North Korean leader Kim Jong Un has overseen a significant military test, featuring suicide drones powered by artificial intelligence, according to state media reports released on March 27th. These new drones, equipped with advanced AI technology, demonstrated precision during the test. Images released show a fixed-wing drone targeting and destroying a tank-shaped object, causing a large explosion. During the inspection, Kim Jong Un emphasized that unmanned control systems and artificial intelligence must become top priorities in North Korea's military development. The drones tested not only showcased their destructive capability, but also their potential role in reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. State media also highlighted newly developed drones that can identify tactical targets and enemy activities both on land and at sea. In a related inspection, Kim Jong Un reviewed a sophisticated aircraft equipped with electronic jamming systems, advanced radar, and intelligence gathering capabilities. The aircraft, notably larger than typical fighter jets, features a prominent radar dome mounted on the fuselage. The photographs reveal Kim actively engaged with military officials, underscoring his direct involvement in the country's strategic military advancements. These developments reflect North Korea's continued investment in modernizing its military capabilities amid heightened tensions on the global stage. Kim's inspection reinforces North Korea's focus on leveraging cutting-edge technologies, potentially reshaping its tactical approach in future conflicts.